morning YouTube. So today I'm going to be making plantain and peanut porridge using some raw peanuts and 2 green plantains. Of course, I have my coconut milk that I'm going to be putting in it. I have my salt, cinnamon powder, vanilla and nutmeg, and this is the pot I will be using a medium-sized pot. I have my knife out because I'm about to peel my plantain. So let's get into it. I am talking a little low because I am the only one up in the house. My aunt is still asleep. You know when the blending starts, she can hear the noise, but for now, I want to be quiet. So I'm just catching a little water in the pot. Of course, I have to rinse it out first. And I don't put a lot of water, just a little bit. By the time everything is blended, I will add that to this, and then if it needs more water, then I'll put more as I go along. So I'm just leaving this to boil. By the time this boils up, the plantain and peanut will be blended and ready. I am not the best peeler when it comes on to banana or plantain, so as long as the skin come off, that is fine for me. So if I have to peel it, I peel it. Now that I finished peeling them, I chop them up as small as I can because I'm going to be blending them in the blender. I already have my peanut out, as you can see. Here I have some coconut milk that I already have prepared and ready to pour in the blender with the cut plantains and the peanut. It wasn't making it smooth enough for me, so I moved it and put it into the NutriBullet, and look at it, so smooth, which is what I wanted. So I added my cinnamon and vanilla in the water so all of that can be boiled together. I think it adds more to the flavor. That's just how I do it. I have to keep stirring to prevent it from being lumpy or sticking. So I'm going to add a little vanilla to it right now. I like to do it early so it boil up in it and I get the smell and the flavor. When I was younger, I would put that in when I'm sweetening, but now I want it in it, adding to the flavor. I'm still stirring it because I don't want it to lump up at all. I want it to stay smooth. I'm just stirring it a little more. And I turn it down really low, and I'm giving it like 30 minutes to make sure that all the ingredients are well boiled together, if that makes sense. All right, so I'll come back and stir it occasionally for the next 30 minutes. See you then, guys. And this is it. It's finished, and let me tell you, this porridge came out so good. It's not too thick, not too watery. It was just right and tasted so delicious. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.